Hey guys! You look for methods to earn money from Facebook. Here are my 8 easy ways to do it. Stay tuned to know how you can earn by simply clicking likes. Facebook is a household name around the world. This social network platform has over 2.2 billion registered monthly active users, and the number is growing rapidly. While Facebook allows you to stay in touch with relatives and friends, it also offers excellent opportunities for people to make money. There are several direct and indirect ways by which you can earn money from Facebook in 2019. All you need is a Facebook account and some ingenuity to cash on the world's favorite social media platform. So number 1, Facebook Marketplace. Facebook Marketplace is a free facility offered by the social networking website. It allows you to list various items, services, and deals and promote them directly within the Facebook community. The service allows you to reach thousands of people through your own social network while allowing Facebook friends to notify others about what you are selling. You can sell any item or service that meets Facebook community guidelines. Similar to classifieds, the buyer can contact you, inspect the goods, and finalize price, shipping, and other details. However, if you have an eye for unique stuff, you can make more money. A lot of items sold on Facebook Marketplace are rare and can fetch higher value in brick-and-mortar stores. Buy the stuff and resell it either online or through stores. Number 2, affiliate marketing on Facebook. Affiliate marketing is a system by which you promote a product, brand, service, or company through a Facebook page or groups to your contacts. Thousands of merchants, including Amazon, Flipkart, vCommission, Shadi.com, and many others, pay you to promote their products. You can do so by joining affiliate marketing programs offered by these organizations and posting their content on your Facebook page. Every time an interested party looks up the advertisement or content you have posted and becomes its customer, you stand to make some money. Number 3, advertise your business or Facebook. Facebook has emerged as the single largest common platform on which every business, from home-based ventures to the largest banks and consumer goods companies, have a presence. I have seen many common people are promoting their training, consultancy, selling homemade products, or even custom-made dresses and jewelry through Facebook business. There are multiple options to promote your product on Facebook. You can also interact with customers through the instant messenger service available on Facebook. Number 4, earn by selling Facebook likes. This is a very debatable way to make money with Facebook. There are forums that support selling likes for a Facebook page, while others deem the system as illegal. Regardless, there are several marketers who will pay you to send a Facebook page to your friends. Your friends have to simply click the like button on that Facebook page. According to various reports, including one published by National Public Radio, people charge as much as $75 to give 1,000 likes for any Facebook page. Others advertise the service on sites like Fiverr. Number 5, influencer marketing on Facebook. Influencer marketing is not for anyone who has a large following on Facebook. Indeed, most people do not permit people to follow them on Facebook because their content can land them in danger if it's dealing with sensitive issues like politics and religion. However, influencer marketers look for people with large followings and huge network of friends. They offer money to promote a brand or ideology through your Facebook page. The system came under scrutiny of American and other law enforcement agencies after it was revealed that some sort of influencer marketing could have been done by certain countries during election campaigns in the USA and elsewhere. Offering your Facebook following for influencer marketing for brands of products is, however, harmless. Number 6, earn from Facebook ads. Facebook ads is a facility extended by the social media giant to corporate and individual users. It allows you to create and pod advertisements of various sorts that target a specific group of people based on age, location, and other demographic parameters. If you have a small home-based business, you can make money by advertising through Facebook ads. The social media firm offers free and paid packages for Facebook ads, depending upon your usage and target audience. Additionally, you can also offer services of posting advertisements on behalf of businesses who wish to remain anonymous. Several large companies looking at hiring staff do not divulge their identity. Number 7. Manage Facebook accounts. Managing social media accounts, especially Facebook page of a company or celebrity, is very lucrative work-from-home option. There are scores of social media management jobs you can find online. These jobs that require you to manage Facebook pages can be done full-time or even part-time to make extra money. They are advertised under various designations like social media manager, Facebook assistant, social media specialist, and myriad others. Number 8. Facebook groups. People open group pages on Facebook for various reasons. There are two categories of Facebook groups: open and closed. In an open group, people can join anytime. The other is a closed group, where membership is by invitation or application only. Opening a Facebook group enables you to work as micro-influencer or a cause, political party, or business. You can invite friends to become members of the group and invite others too. Upon reaching the desired level of membership, you can close the group. A closed group allows you to influence members about anything. Thank you for watching this video, and we have a lot of more videos, so stay tuned with our channel.